I absolutely recommend Henson Group. One of the things that, one of the challenges that we have is that we have offices all around the world. So you're talking about multiple world time zones. And during the migration, Henson Group was able to deal with offices in India and their integration, and offices in Dubai, and then offices in North America, and offices in Miami. So I highly recommend them. They were extremely responsive, and again, dealt with a company that's dispersed across the world and dealt with those time zone changes very well. We're very satisfied with Henson Group because, again, dealing with the multiple time zones, we had other issues which were a little tricky. We're running older software, our warehouse management system, connecting our scanners into the cloud, into Azure, and our ancient accounting system. And Henson Group really just went that extra mile to make sure that all of that was working, the IP services for the warehouse management. It was really quite something. And again, whenever we had a question, whenever we weren't as up to speed as they are, so our question was maybe a little naive, there was always a good answer. They were always very accommodating to us. And it was what would have been a really difficult process became a very easy process. And the IT people, as well as the users, were very happy. The process of choosing Henson Group began with our search for a Microsoft Gold partner. Beyond that, we were looking for Gold partners with deep Azure experience, migration experience. And the other criteria was that I needed to interview a variety of customers, and customers who would tell the truth about problems that they had and how they got solved, because having been in this business so long, I know that any migration is going to encounter problems. And I wanted to understand what the problems were and how Henson Group managed that. Our representative, Kelsey Saunders, immediately put me in touch with a variety of their customers. Their customers were very open and gave me complete stories of what their migration was like, and most importantly, after the migration, what the support was like as changes came about in their needs.